Hello friends, in this video I'm going to discuss what are the major types of companies in India. In this video I will discuss the major types of companies in India in brief. Let's start with the first one, that is sole proprietorship. A sole proprietorship, also known as a trader, firm or proprietorship, is a business firm that is owned and run by one individual. A sole proprietor may use a trade name or business name other than his or her name. Next, partnership. Liability is joint and unlimited. Active partners take part in day-to-day operations of the business in addition to investing in it. Active partners are entitled to a share of the enterprise's profits. On the other hand, sleeping partners invest in the business and are entitled to a share of its profits but do not participate in day-to-day operations. Next, limited liability partnership. In such type of company, liability is limited. Next, Hindu Undivided Family, HUF in short. In this type of company, businesses owned by a joint family belonging to Hindu religion. Even though Jain and Sikh families are not governed by the Hindu law, they can still form a HUF, that is Hindu Undivided Family. Next, cooperative. A cooperative, also known as cooperative, is an autonomous association of different individuals, unlimited, voluntarily to meet their common economic, social, and cultural needs and aspirations through a jointly owned and democratically controlled enterprise. Next, dormant company. It means a company which has been created for a future project or for holding assets including intellectual property of the company. Next, family-owned business. A family business is a commercial organization in which decision-making is influenced by multiple generations of a family, related by blood or marriage or adoption. In such business, every member has both the ability to influence the vision of the business and the willingness to use this ability to pursue distinctive goals. Next, private limited company. This type of business entity limits owner liability to their shares, limits the number of shareholders to 50 and minimum 2, and restricts shareholders from publicly trading shares. Next, a small company. A company other than a public company which paid up share capital is not more than 50 lakh and turnover doesn't exceed 1 crore. Next, public sector undertaking or PSU, alternatively known as public sector enterprise or PSE. It may be public limited company listed on stock exchanges with major ownership by a state government or a central government of India, or it may be unlisted entity with major ownership by a state government or a central government of India. So in such type of company, the major share, that is more than 50%, belongs to government. Last but not the least, that is one-person company. It is a type of private company which can have only one director and member. So this is all about the types of companies in India in brief.